Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 5 Sound of 8th class. Chapter in previous class we have completed activity 10 and structure of ear by which we can hear sound. Today we are going to study the characteristics of sound. What are the characteristics of sound? To some extent we can study according to our textual. First characteristic is nothing but what? Loudness. What does it mean, loudness? It determines the intensity of, high intensity of sound of same frequency. A loud sound, if it is here of same frequency, we can call it as nothing but what? Loudness. Example, when we go to assembly there itself to call up, they will take a drum and a PD sir, he will take a drum and he will hit loudly there itself, it will make sound. That sound is nothing but what? High intensity sound of same certain frequency there itself. That would be a best example we can give it for what? High intensity of sound which can be measured in decibel. Similarly, soft sound. Or else one more example, let me give it up. Loudly by using my hand and loudly by hitting on the table or a bench. It would be nothing but what? A loudness, high intensity sound by or which optically if you are hitting it up, if it is producing sound, that sound would be called as nothing but what? Loudness of the sound we can give it up, which can be get measured in decibel. What is called as feeble sound? Slowly tapping upon on the surface with low intensity. With a low intensity, whatever the sound forms, sound can be heard to our ears, would be called as nothing but what? Feebleness of the sound. Feebleness of the sound which can be of same frequency and it can be measured in what? Decibels. It can be measured in what? Decibels. This loudness, what it will give? It differentiates or distinguishes the sound of the thing. It can distinguish what is feeble sound and what is loud sound of same frequency which is measured in decibel. That is the main thing of loudness. Next, coming to what? Characteristics or factors affecting this loudness. What factors should affect on loudness of the sound? First factor is nothing but what? Loudness increases with increasing amplitude. As amplitude is increasing gradually. What is called as amplitude? I have given here a wave. Within this wave, if it is moving it the particles which are vibrating with the maximum intensity there itself. The amount of maximum displacement, the wave is propagating in such a way that it is displacing with what? Maximum displacement is taking place at one particular point. That particular point can be called as nothing but what? Amplitude of the sound we can give it up within a medium. Within a medium, it can be defined as loudness of the amplitude of maximum displacement of vibrating body. Vibrating body within a medium. Within a medium, if maximum displacement, if it is taking place by a body, a particle is called as nothing but what? Amplitude of sound, amplitude of vibrating body. Therefore, loudness increases as the amplitude increases. Why? Amplitude indicates what? Height of the wave. As the height of the wave is large, we can call that it is produced loudness. If the height of the wave is very small, we can say that it is nothing but what a feeble sound is produced by this particular one. That is the first characteristics of factors affecting loudness of the sound as well as feebleness of the sound. We can give it up. Second factor is what? Loudness increases with increasing surface area. The surface area, what else we are using it up? To be get vibrated. To be get vibrated to make a sound. As surface area increases, it produces more sound. Drum. A huge drum will be there itself. As we are hitting the surface area which is made up of leather, it vibrates a lot. As it is a bigger one, more sound it will produce. If it is a small drum, it produces a feeble sound there itself of a frequency there. Therefore, surface area of vibrating body also, if it is more, loudness also will be more. That is the point what he is making us to understand. That is the factor on which it will depend what? Loudness of the sound. Third one is what? Loudness decreases with increasing distance from the source. As we are saying pledge in the room, in a ground. A student, if he is standing in front of us and if he is saying the pledge, India is my country, the children who are near to us, near to him can hear that particular voice clearly. But as we are standing in a line, sequential way, one after the other, the last person may not hear the same pledge sound with the same intensity the person who is standing near to him, the student who is standing near to him. That is nothing but what? Distance from the source. From the source, how much distance the body can be get moved up? What happens there? Loudness will be gradually decreases. Loudness will be gradually decreases. Depending upon these three factors, what happens there itself? Loudness of the sound will be get it will be get depending. That is loudness as well as feebleness. We can give it within that. One more point we have studied, that is nothing but what? Amplitude of the sound we have studied. Next one is what? Pitch of the sound. Next one is what? Pitch of the sound. What is called as pitch of the sound? It can be given as nothing but what? Effect produced in ear due to sound of particular frequency. Any certain frequency body, if it is producing certain sound ear by ear, which is made by certain frequency by any other body, would be called it as nothing but what? Pitch of the sound. We can give it up. This pitch of the sound depends upon frequency of vibrating body. With what frequency does the vibrating body exist? Depending upon that, pitch of the sound will be get existing. Factors affecting this particular pitch of the sound. What are the factors affecting? Already we have seen clearly that it depends upon frequency of vibrating body. Higher the frequency, more sound, shrill sound will be getting here there itself. What is called as a shrill sound? It is nothing but what? A sharp voice. A sharp sound. We can give it the best example is a mouse which is existing in a cupboard make a slick sound there itself. Slick sound as it is making it up, that is nothing but what? A sharp, shrill, sharp sound which is called as shrill. We can give it up there itself. Higher the frequency, if the frequency is higher, it produces one sound. That sound is called as shrill sound, which is a sharp sound. Example is nothing but what? The mouse which is existing in a cupboard, if it makes noise, we can hear that particular sound. It is nothing but what? Shrill voice or sweet sound of a mouse produced in cupboard. Best example is that one which is called as shrill sound, which is also known as sharp sound. We can give it up. That is the second point. And lower the frequency if it is existing, it produces one sound. What is that sound? Bass voice will be get here, as well as a flat sound will be get here. This also depends upon vocal cord. We have seen it up. The length of man will be of 20 millimeter there itself, and length of woman is 15 millimeter length. This is vocal cords. Depending upon the length of vocal cord, also shrill sound produced can be seen. Already we have seen that part of topic in vocal cord concept. That is second point. What we can give it up. Third factor. What is the third factor? Small length of vibrating air column. If I am taking a air column there itself. This is nothing but what? A water existing up to this certain level. This is called as nothing but what? Air column. We'll call it as nothing but what? Air column. If this air column, if small length of vibrating air column is existing, it produces pitch of the sound. It produces high pitch sound. It will be get producing. Within this, if I am placing any vibrating body, a tuning fork, hitting hardly and placing there itself within that air column, what happens there? That vibrating body produces what? High pitch sound will be that produces. And if the air column is gradually increases, if the air column is gradually increases, what happened here? Low pitch sound can be get here. Low pitch sound can be get here. We can clearly identify that as air column is small, high frequency, high pitch sound is here there itself. Has low air column is very large, then what happened? Low pitch sound is what? It will have a bass voice will be more as well as flat sound will be get existing, but whereas here shrill sound will be get here. That shrill sound is nothing but what? Sharp sound we can call it up. That is the third factor we can give it up there. Fourth factor. What is that fourth factor? Pitch of the sound increases with the decrease in thickness and length of the wire. The wires which are connected to veena or violin or guitar. As the thickness is more, what is it itself? As thickness is, if pitch of the sound increases more with the lesser in thickness of the wire, we will see different types of wires will be there. A thick wire will give bass voice, thin wire will give sharp voice. Means what? High pitch sound will be produced by thin wire. Low pitch sound will be getting produced by what? Thickness of the wire. Not only thickness of the wire, but also length of vibrating wire. The wire length, how much it is there, depending upon that length of vibrating wire. Simultaneously, thickness of the wire too will give us nothing but what? Pitch of the sound can be get increased or it may be get decreased. These are the factors on which characters, these are the factors of pitch of the sound. By this we have completed what? Some characteristics which are existing in our textbook. It is nothing but what? Characteristics of sound. So children, thank you for listening. Watch a number of times to understand this particular topic. All the best. Thank you.